Good morning, students. Today we are going to study from your applied English book writing section. Today we are going to discuss dialogue writing, page number 44. Dialogue means conversation between two persons. In this chapter, there are conversation between two persons. One conversation is given a solved example. One is given here. Two students, Pradeep and Kuldeep, talk about a popular hobby. Two students are Kuldeep and Pradeep. They are talking about their hobby. This is the conversation, sample conversation solved here given, and you have to write only two conversations you have to write down in your notebooks. First conversation I have written as a sample. Question is Subhas. Subhas gives advice to Karan on how to find a new apartment. Write the conversation in not more than 80 words. You have to write the conversation in which two friends, Subhas and Karan, are talking. Karan is worried because he is unable to find a new apartment. So Subhas advises him how to find new apartment. One example I have given. Subhas telling, "Hi Karan, how are you?" Karan says, "Fine, but I have a problem to find a new apartment." S for Subhas. Subhas, "That's quite easy, dear. I will tell you." Then Karan says, K for Karan. Karan, "Yes, please tell me." S. Subhas, "There are many sites on internet from where you can search homes." Karan, "Thank you, dear. It's so easy." Subhas, "Most welcome. Now you can easily find a new apartment. Now you can easily find a new apartment in your desired location. In your desired location. Then Karan says, "Yes, come, let's have coffee." Karan becomes so happy. He says, "Yes, come, let's have coffee." Then Subhas says, "Okay, let's go." This way I have written one conversation. It's not necessary that you should also write the same conversation. Many different way, with the help of your own imagination, you can write using slightly different words. You can write different sentences, different sources of how to find the apartment from your own imagination. You can write, only I have given it a specimen example. Not necessary that you should write the same. Clear? Now let's discuss question number 2. Kiran introduces Suman to her favorite in Beijing. Beijing is the capital city of China. Write their interaction in the dialogue form in not more than 80 words. Two friends, Kiran Suman, talking. Where are they? They are in China, Beijing city. Kiran introduces Suman, means shows Suman her favorite place in Beijing. It means they are moving in Beijing. We can write second number. We can start this way. Suman, as for Suman. Suman in bracket driving in a car. Suman and Kiran driving in a car. Suman in bracket driving in a car. Kiran, where are we going? Suman is driving car and she asks Kiran, where are we going? Then Kiran says, I want to introduce you my favorite place here in Beijing. In Beijing, they are driving a car. So Kiran says, I want to introduce you my favorite place here in Beijing. Then Suman asks, look, what a beautiful place this is. Kiran says, yes, it is the Summer Palace, which was once a summer resort for the emperors. That lake is called Kunming Lake. Kunming Lake. We can see old beautiful pavilions, buildings, temples, bridges around this huge lake. Then Suman will speak. Really, it's a wonderful place. Thanks for introducing me to this place. Then Kiran will say, welcome dear. So this way, second example also I have given. This is specimen. It's not necessary that you have to write all the same words. From your own imagination, you can also write something differently. That's all, students. Thank you.